Welcome to the Moorings. I'm so excited to introduce you to this beautiful condo on the Indian River Lagoon. Look at this view. This spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath, second floor condo offers nearly 1,800 square feet of beautifully updated living space. Enjoy stunning river views right from the living room and primary bedroom. Perfect for relaxing or watching those breathtaking Florida sunsets. If you're looking for gorgeous river views and a lifestyle full of amenities, this condo is a must-see.